Okay. Oh, you're gonna ride it. I thought you said you were gonna wear it.
Ride it.
Okay. What is that thing?
It's a roadie. What am I gonna do?
Hey, whose world is it?
It's my world.
It's your world.
Push and push and push and push. Right, let's go. I love that. You put the movie up when you're singing.
You're gonna what? What in the world? Be careful. Don't hurt yourself, crazy strong girl.
Okay. Here I come.
What's your name?
Here I come.
Here I Come is your name?
Yeah.
I don't think that's what's on your birth certificate.
Here I come.
When is your birthday?
Here I come.
Hey, when is your
Jack, move.
birthday?
Mother's looking at me. I love the moo. I choose. Uh-oh.
The baby fall?
Yeah.
I think it's because you're being a little crazy with the stroller.
Yeah.
You gotta be really gentle when babies are in strollers.
1, 2,
Hey, can you tell Nick when your birthday is?
Yeah.
When is your birthday?
It's December.
December what?
December. You love it.
Good job. Can-
When is my birthday?
How old are you going to be for your next birthday? How many is
How
that?
many? How many?
5.
You're skipping
No.
a few years.
You're 2.5 right now. How old are you gonna be in December?
In December.
How old?
2.5.
No, that's how old you are now. You're gonna be 3.
Mama, da, da, da.
Goodbye.